Listening 1.1. 1. Listen to the receptionist and the student. For questions 1 to 5, complete the form.
Hello. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
Please sit down. I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay then. What's your first name?
Anna.
Is that 2 N's or 1?
2. A-double-N-A.
Thanks. And your surname?
Dabrowska.
Dabrowska.
D-A-B-R-O-W-S-K-A.
Thank you. And where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Great, thanks. And can I have your address?
In Poland?
No, where you're staying now.
Oh, yes. It's 36 London Road.
Is that here in Bristol?
Yes, it is.
Do you know the postcode?
Sorry, I don't.
That's okay. Do you have an email address?
Yes, it's a.dabrowska@onet.pl.
And could I have your home phone number, please?
Yes, it's 0048 71 339 7890.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much.